Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to sign into your bitcoin.com wallet app in just few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the bitcoin.com wallet app on your phone. You will be taken straight to the login screen. On the login screen, you will see two sign-in options, Google and email. Tap the method you used when creating your account. If you choose Google, select your account and the app will log you in automatically, no password needed. But if you choose email, just like I did, enter your address. Tap the arrow button at the right. Now go to your inbox. Tap the confirmation link sent by bitcoin.com to finish signing in. And that's it. You are now signed into your wallet. You can check your balances, send or receive crypto, or manage your portfolio. For extra security, go to the settings and enable app lock using your PIN or fingerprint. And that's it. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.